General environmentally friendly concrete tile made from Lapindo, wood composite, and coconut fiber based on nanozeolite to improve tile quality and reduce CO2 pollution. Chapter 1 Introduction. The Lapido mudflow in the Sidoarjo area of East Java has no sign of stopping until 2016. Even so, this eruption has two sides. On the one hand, it is a disaster for the surrounding community, and on the other hand, the Lapindo mud can be used for various building material. According to Taufikur Rahman, based on his research, it shows that the silica content in the Lapido mud is significant enough to be sparated. Silica can produce nanosilica, which is useful the strengthening brick and bricks. The average housing demand in Indonesia is plus 1.1 million units per year, with a potential market in urban areas of 40% or 440 units. The price of building materials tends to increase, which causes house price to increase. Therefore, the use of Lapindo building material, especially for roof tiles, will provide cheaper building materials because of abundant raw materials during the Lapido mud flow. According to Kamaria, Lapido mud has the potential to be the main raw material for making composites for building materials that are composite with cement and coconut fiber, which are environmentally friendly by knowing the mechanical and chemical characteristics of the composite. Cocoa fiber itself is a wasted material that can actually be used in the manufacture of certain materials. With the aim in increasing the strength of the material against bending force. They indicate that the Lapindo mud mixed with coconut fiber can be used as a concrete tile to improve the mechanical characteristic of composite building materials. 1.2 Problem formulation. The Lapindo mud flow continues the erupt until now. Various ways have been done to overcome the Lapido mud flow, such as closing the mud source using a concrete ball. However, this is not effective. One way to overcome the Lapido mud is to use the Lapido mud itself for building materials, namely as concrete tiles. Jinram, concrete tile made from a composite of Lapindo mud and coconut fiber with the addition of nanozeolite composition. In the title, mixture will have properties that they are able to absorb CO2 gas emissions. According to T. Hung Pham, the decrease in particle size of zeolite crystal from the micro level to the nano level result in a significant increase in the specific surface area. This providing more active properties for CO2 absorption. This concrete This concrete tile is very environmentally friendly by utilizing Lapindo mud and coconut fiber wash, and the price is economical because the materials used are quite abundant. Next, 1.3 research purpose. The aim of this creative initiative are making reinforcement and pillar composite Lapindo mud and coconut fiber. Conducting nanozeolite particle synthetics. Creating Genram concrete tile made of Lapindo mud composite and coconut fiber based on nanozeolite. The tests to be carried out are testing the flexural load composite strength CO2 gas absorption, water absorption, and heat absorption of concrete tiles. Next, chapter 2, discussion about concrete tile. Concrete tile or cement tile is a building element used for roof made of concrete and shaped in such a way and of curtain size. Concrete tiles concrete tile are generally made by mixing sand and cement plus water, then stirred until homogeneous and printed. In addition to cement and sand, lime can also be added as a material for stacking concrete tiles. Next, Lapin 2.2 Lapindo mud and coconut fiber composite. In Indonesia, research on building material products such as roof tiles, ceilings, um, which are the derived for was composite is still very limited. Even though currently the raw material for building are renewable and biodegradable in long-term development. In the form of Lapindo mud was in abundance and become serious environmental problem. Therefore, this research is very important to do because it is designed to empower the potential of Lapindo, which is abundant and becomes an environmental problem to be composite with cement and coconut fiber as the main ingredient in the manufacture of lightweight building tiles that have high mechanical characteristics and are environmentally friendly. Chapter 3 Conclusion. With the problem above, we propose the idea of making Genram environmentally friendly concrete tile made from Lapindo and coconut fiber, both of which are waste that is not used and its use is also less than optimal. To overcome the effect of global warming, the two CO2 gas nanozeolite can be added to the composition of the concrete tile. Nanozeolite is proven to be able to absorb CO2 gas emissions in the air, often caused by vehicle. With the Genram, it is hoped that it will reduce the Lapindo mud flow and optimize the use of coconut fiber to improve the mechanical structure of concrete roof tiles. The addition of nanozeolite to the tile composition is expected to be effective for the concrete roof tiles used to reduce pollution due to CO2 gas emissions.